4-pocket organizer. And just like the mini, it has the deeper side and the double-sided zipper where you can open up from either direction. It has the handle at the top of it, same quilting, and all the way around it has the binding. Now this one, the binding is on the top, and then there's a separate one on the bottom. I love this bag. I think what I plan on using this one for mostly is for when I work on different projects around my sewing space. So all the time when I'm working on a project, I need to have certain things next to me, and they end up just laying all over my table, but I need some wonder clips. I also need my best press, and I've got a marking for my pen or my glue stick, and I need my marking pen, my seam ripper, you know, all these little things that I need all the time. And usually they're just laying all over the place. And now I'm going to have them all condensed in one area. And then there's even space at the very bottom that you can fit more stuff. I like that these are all separate, so you can kind of maybe only use the ones you need. I'm not even sure that I would probably keep all of these together. I might only, if I've got fabric in here, I might only end up needing 2 of them in here, and I could maybe put this in one of my sewing drawers or keep these in my bag when I'm going to sew at a friend's house. So yeah, this one's really nice. I definitely will be getting lots of use out of this. And again, this is called the 4-pocket organizer.